Before starting, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, because subscribing is free.
Hi, welcome to the Amazing Car News channel.
Nissan announced today that its 2023 Leaf will get some minor changes, some of which are not easy to spot. The Leaf lineup has been cut from 5 models to 2, a 147 HP base model and a 214 HP SV+. Reassuringly, in today's inflationary conditions, the 2023 Leaf's price is unchanged from the current model. Suddenly, EVs are having their moment, yet the electric car that's been around since 2010, the Nissan Leaf, seems lost in the shuffle. For 2023, even as Nissan prepares to launch its new, bigger, flashier, and pricier Ariya electric, the automaker is also giving the Leaf a little love. But just a little. Up front, the grille, headlights, and bumper have been changed, but even looking at pictures side by side, the differences aren't easy to spot. Nissan says various body elements also have been reshaped for improved aerodynamics. The standout new design element is the Leaf's funky new multispoke wheels. Oh, and the Nissan badge is illuminated, because that's now a thing. The 2022 lineup of 5 models has been trimmed to just 2, the base S and the mid-grade SV+. As before, the base car has a 147 horsepower electric motor fed by a 40.0-kWh battery pack, both numbers that are looking pretty small in the new competitive landscape. The SV+ returns with its more respectable 214 HP motor and 62.0-kWh battery. Both models have front-wheel drive. EPA range estimates aren't expected to stray far, if at all, from the current 149 miles for the S and 215 miles for the SV+. We got 180 miles out of the SV+ in our 75 mph highway test. Note that the Leaf continues to use a CHAdeMO charging connection, while the new Ariya adopts the more popular CCS connection used by most other automakers. One thing that's also unchanged is the pricing, which in today's environment is noteworthy. The 2023 Leaf S will start at $28,425 and the SV Plus at $36,425 when the models arrive this summer. As the first true EV made by a major manufacturer, not just as a limited model or something for the buyer looking to invest in a startup, the 2010 Nissan Leaf was an early staple of low-priced, electrified vehicles for the masses. Just over 12 years and 500,000 cars later, the 2023 Nissan Leaf bows at the 2022 New York International Auto Show with some updated styling and a streamlined lineup that's down to 2 trim levels, the Leaf S and Leaf SV+. The range-topping SL offered for 2022 is gone. Since its generation changeover in 2017, the Nissan Leaf has become a rather handsome-looking thing, at least for a compact 5-door hatchback. Thanks for watching.